Are you ready to learn the easiest way to make some cash from your couch? Well, you're in luck because today I'm gonna spill the beans on the simplest way to make money online. Now hold on to your seats because I'm gonna talk about a method that is not a get rich quick scheme. It's going to work, so grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's get started. I'm gonna break it down step by step and give you insider tips of how to do this easily. This method uses AI to make the process easy, and it's completely free. You don't need to spend any money to get started. It's an AI that helps us to do video translation, and there are two ways we can make money with this AI. And I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process in each way so you can follow me and get the results. If you open Rask.ai, you can see that at the top there are different tools we can use, like transcribe YouTube video, video translator, and transcription, and other things that it does for us. But in this video, I'm going to select the second one, which does the video translation for us by the use of AI. Imagine that you have a video which is English and you want to change it to Spanish. So what you do is to upload your video here and the AI quickly changes English to Spanish. But how we are going to use this AI to make money? So now let's go to the first way we can use this tool. The first way you can make money with this is that you offer some online services for video translation. And the people who need the language of the video to be changed, you can offer this service and get money for that. You can start freelancing with Fiverr or Upwork and open an account and offer this service. For example, if you go to Fiverr, you can see that this guy is offering translation of Japanese video to English. You can see here that he has 117 reviews of 5-star, and he's working right now on 4 orders. So he has different packages here, like the 1-minute video is $5, 2.5 minute $10, and 5-minute video would be $20. So what you can do is that you open an account like this guy and you can earn money by offering this translation. And if you look at this gig on Upwork, you can see that this guy is offering translation videos from English to any language. Here you can see that he's charging $80 for 12 minutes. So this is one of the ways you can make money using this tool. If you like the video so far, please like and subscribe, and let's move to the next way, which is going to be exciting. Another way you can make money with this tool is to make video translation for YouTubers. There are many YouTube channels in English that have another channel in Spanish, and the reason is that they want to have a wider audience for their content. So if you look at this channel, 10x Income, we can see that it only has English videos here, but also they recently opened a Spanish channel as well. So you can see that they uploaded one video completely in Spanish, and they uploaded the same video in English channel here translated into Spanish. Many of these YouTubers want to have another channel in Spanish to have the wider audience. So let me show you how to contact these YouTubers to offer this service. What we need to do is to find a YouTuber that has English videos. So I have here Odetta, who is a great YouTuber that talks about making money online. And if you look at her videos, they are all in English. So what we need to do is to go to the About page and find the email address. So here I have the email address to connect to Odetta. So what I do is that I open a Google Doc file and I copy the email address here, and then I try to make a great professional email to offer my service. So I go here to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a professional email so that we can send to our YouTuber. I'm in ChatGPT now. So I have already created a prompt here, so I paste it here. In this prompt, I say that write me a formal email to offer my service as a professional that does video translation. And in this offer, we suggest a YouTuber to start a new YouTube channel in another language like Spanish to scale up their YouTube business internationally to have a wider audience for their content. So I send the message here, and in a few seconds it gives us a great email. So here we have the email. What I need to do is copy it and go to our Google Doc file. Here you can go through the content and edit it, and maybe there are some extra information that you want to delete or maybe add something to it. So In this email, first we are introduced, and I think it's really great here. So here you can see that this section highlights the services we are going to give, which I think is great. And also we have a conclusion, and here you can add your name, your contact information, and also if you have a professional business, you can put here. If you want to look more reliable and legit when contacting the YouTubers, you can also have a website which you show some of the previous work or some portfolio, and also some of the reviews of the customers that been really happy with your work, so they can trust us and pay us money to do the service for them. If you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the other video links here I've put for you. And thank you again, and see you in the next video.